Hello friends, welcome back to the Jena World channel and enjoy watching. Guys, what animal and animal sound is this? One. What animal is this? Yes, this is a lion. Lion. The lion is a species of animal from the cat family. Lions are in the African continent and partly in the territory of India. Lions are animals that live in groups, usually consist of a male and many females. This group guards their territory. The lifespan of a lion is between 10 and 20 years in the wild, but in captivity it may be more than 20 years. The younger lion will take the leadership from the older lion. Two. What animal is this? Yes, this is tiger. Tiger. Tigers are pack predators. They mainly prey on circus, deer, and pigs. The tiger is a solitary animal, but has a social side. There are several types of tiger species. 3. What animal is this? Yes, this is a crocodile. 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 Crocodiles are large reptiles that live in water. Crocodiles generally inhabit freshwater habitats such as rivers, lakes, swamps, and other wetlands. However, there are also those who live in brackish water such as estuarine crocodiles. 4. What animal is this? Yes, this is an elephant. 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 Elephants are herbivorous animals that can be found in various habitats, such as savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps. Elephants have long trunks, columnar legs, like heads, and broad flat ears. Its food is plants and fruits.